Okay, so the front wheels on this car get absolutely filthy because the brakes are absolutely massive. So see, there's a lot of sort of brake dust on there. So what I'm going to do, there's a dead fly on there as well, came to a nasty end. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some of the fallout remover onto this wheel first, just to see what the reaction will be like. I'm assuming there wasn't a lot of fallout on the rear wheel, so let's go. Okay, so snow foam time. Back in with AliExpress Roo Superstore foam cannon. So we've got the lava in here. I put 100ml of snow foam in with 600ml of water. I think it's going to be way too thick, so we'll probably have to dial it back a little bit. So this bit is for anyone who saw me at Caffeine and Machine and asked me why my boot shut was so dirty. This is for you. So the only thing it's left is just a few dead bugs on the front. See, there's another there. Yeah, I'm really impressed with how well it's cleaned. The car looks really good. Most of the grime's come off. So we're going to use this citrus wash from Mirror Image Car Care. It can be diluted 8:1, like regular cleaning, 4:1 medium soiling, diluted 1:1 heavy soiling, or use neat. So all we're going to do is going to put it on neat onto these bugs at the front, and we'll just leave it to soak, and we'll pressure wash it back off at the end. We're going back in with the land supplied shampoo, so this is the elite shampoo. I'll put 40ml to 600ml water. Let's see how it applies via lamp. Not the thickest, but it'll do. So it's threatening a bit of rain, so all we're going to do, we're going to whip round with this SiO2 gloss detailer. Car's all rinsed. So he just says it's an easy on, easy off application for those who are looking for a long durable shine and beading. Will also protect your car's paintwork from road salts and other weather elements. Can be used on glass, plastics, alloy wheels and rubber, so you can use it on everything. It is a product I've used a fair few times, and it's a product I really enjoy using, so I'll load up the towel and we'll just put a few spritzes onto the panel. So it's got a lovely apple scent, and we'll go around and we'll just use it as a drying aid really. And then we'll just get a second microfiber, nice plush one, and we'll just buff it off. The same again, put a few sprays onto the car. Just wipe it over. And then plush one, buff it back. So easy to use, and it leaves a lovely finish. slick, lovely. So we're just going to use it on some glass, just see how effective it is on glass. Yeah, let's have a little wander around. Look at the gloss on it, it looks absolutely brilliant. Really chuffed with it. Brings up the satin really nice as well. The QD, there's a bug on there already. Get some shots from front. So yeah, car's all done. Really chuffed with outcome. They're great products from Detail Online. I have used them for a good few years now, but with a lot of products I've been using and testing over the last sort of 12 months, I've not really been using much of them. So I'll just sort of round it up. The fallout remover, great fallout remover. Don't smell as bad as others that I've used. Does a great job. Hyper wheel gel. Yeah, it did a good job, foams up well. You know, it does everything that it's required to do, but they're not really my favourite products. Wheel gels, I prefer something a bit more viscous, really. I don't even think that's the right word. Anyway, something a little bit more, a bit thinner, just spreads over the wheel a little easier. So yeah, that's that. Lava V2, high cleaning snow foam, did really well, shifted all the sand and the dirt off the car. Pretty much in one hit. The only thing it didn't get was the dead bugs on the front, so I shifted them with a bit of citrus cleaner, but yeah, did everything I was expecting of it. Very good product. Next up, Elite Shampoo, great product this. I've been using the shampoo for a couple of years. I've got probably about 4 or 5 different bottles of it in the shed to do different scents, so I've got loads of different scents. Didn't foam up particularly brilliant through the lamps at 40ml to 600ml water, but was very lubricated under the noodle mitt, and the smell is incredible. So yeah, great shampoo. Probably try it with a little bit more next time through the lamps to see if we can get it a bit thicker. Really, apart from that, the last product we used was this SiO2 gloss detailer. I love this product. It's one of my favourite ever products. Smells ace. Apple scent. It beads incredible. It really does, and it lasts for easily 6 weeks. Because you can use it all round the car, you can use it on, what does it say, glass, plastics, alloy wheels and rubber. You can use it on everything. It's a great drying aid. So I've run round car, done all the satin with it, done the glass and everything, and it worked to treat on everything. So it's a proper one-stop finishing product, and it isn't expensive either. I think you can pick up like 5 litres for under 20 quid. But yeah, it's something I wouldn't sort of be without, and unfortunately I've not used a lot of quick detailers recently, so it's kind of been cast off, but coming back and using it again made me realise how great of a product it is, and I need to start using it a bit more. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you haven't already, please think about subscribing, just supporting what we do, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video.